In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to your Wix website step by step. We all know how essential it is to monetize our websites, and Google AdSense provides a fantastic way to earn revenue by displaying targeted ads. If you're using Wix for your website, you're in luck because I'm going to walk you through the entire process, making it as simple as possible. So let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens as you can customize your website, add elements, and integrate AdSense. Once you're in the editor interface, focus your eyes on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll notice an option labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and give that option a click. This will open up a menu showing various elements that you can add to your website, such as text, images, and a lot more. Once you're in the Add Elements menu, scroll through until you find the Embed Code option. Click on Embed Code, which will allow you to add custom HTML elements to your site. This is crucial because Google AdSense operates through embedded HTML. After selecting the embed code, you'll find the option for Embed HTML. Click on that to prepare your site for the AdSense code that you'll grab in just a moment. Now it's time to switch gears and head over to your Google AdSense account. So open a new tab and sign in to Google AdSense. Once you're in, look for the Ads section in your AdSense dashboard. This is where Google provides you with ad units that you can place on your site. Click on the Get Code button next to the ad you want to use. This will open up an area displaying an auto-generated HTML script. Your next move is to click Copy. This will store the HTML code in your clipboard ready for you to add it to your Wix editor. Once you've copied the code, flip back over to your Wix editor where you left off. In the Embed HTML section, you'll see a space where you can paste that AdSense code. Just click in that box and paste the code you copied from Google AdSense. It's as easy as Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. After pasting the code, the final step is to make the changes live by clicking on Update. This will save your progress and integrate the Google AdSense ads into your Wix website. Spend a moment previewing your site to ensure the ads are displaying correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully added Google AdSense to your Wix website. As you gain more visitors, these ads can begin generating revenue for you. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!